Racing as they battle for Remate Cup. We have Pure Joy break quickly at a start. Moving up on the outside, Magnolia's Classic. El Bimbo is down in third. New Dawn is racing in fourth. Then comes Handsome Bodman, while Salvatore is the early trailer by about 8 lengths of the leader. And going along for the first turn, Pure Joy Magnolia's Classic is on the outside second. 5 lengths further back in third comes El Bimbo. New Dawn Handsome Bodman is down in fifth, while Salvatore is still racing in less half-mile distance. They traveled with Pure Joy, maintaining a neck lead. Then on the outside is Magnolia's Classic. 8 lengths further back in third is El Bimbo. Handsome Bodman comes next. New Dawn, while Salvatore is still racing in less. Inside the 3 octavo, we have Pure Joy, this time by about 3 lengths. Magnolia's Classic in second. El Bimbo still in third. Handsome Bodman is on the outside fourth. New Dawn comes next, while Salvatore is still racing in less. And they are now entering the home stretch. We have Pure Joy maintaining a 3 lengths lead. Coming closer now in second is Handsome Bodman as they swing for home. Pure Joy, Handsome Bodman is on the outside, about to throw the challenge with about 100 meters of the race. Pure Joy, Handsome Bodman is on the outside. It's now Handsome Bodman followed by Pure Joy, El Bimbo, and finally it's El Bimbo, Handsome Bodman, Pure Joy, New Dawn, Salvatore, and Magnolia's Classic.